Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gina with Impressive Glow Spray Tan and Teeth Whitening Training, where my ultimate mission is always to help women, moms, single moms learn how to start a side hustle or a primary business if they want to as a spray tan or a teeth whitening technician, and to build some financial independence in that process. So are you struggling with getting your teeth whitening business out in the market and getting yourself busy? Well, today's video I want to show you 3 things that I think will really help get your teeth whitening business off to a really good start or get you some more clients in your studio. All right, guys, are you or have you taken a teeth whitening training and you just have not been able to get this service out in the market and get yourself busy? Well, I am here today to give you some 3 basic, simple ideas to think about in terms of how you market your business, because marketing's a thing. It is like the whole thing. But it is a very big deal in terms of how you're going to get clients into your studio, into your teeth whitening chair, however you're offering your service. But I want to give you some quick and easy, simple things that maybe you're not thinking about that can help you with this whole service. So let's get to it. All right, number 1 tip. You have to talk about this. Really, if you already have a beauty business and maybe you offer other services as your primary service, you can't forget to talk about teeth whitening. You can't forget to talk about it just as often as you're talking about your other services. Or if you are only doing teeth whitening by itself as a service, and let's say you have an Instagram page and you're not being very consistent on that page, you have to be talking about it. Now, not only just promoting it, like saying, here I am, come do teeth whitening with me, it's $120. You have to be educational about teeth whitening. You have to be entertaining about teeth whitening. You have to show behind the scenes about teeth whitening and what it includes and what you do and what the appointment looks like. So you have to talk about this service, especially educational stuff. People want to know, what does teeth whitening include? What does an appointment look like? What can I expect in terms of results? Because they're probably already in your DMs asking you these questions anyways. So the more you bring it to the forefront, the more you talk about it, the more content you have to bring people and to get them excited about the service that you offer. So at the end of the day, you have to talk about this service. Have a strategy. Make it simple. I love content pillar strategy in terms of marketing on Instagram and having content to post, just meaning that maybe you have 4 or 5 different pillars of content and information, and each day of the week you could post something in that pillar. For example, Mondays could be educational posts, Tuesdays could be motivational posts, Wednesdays could be behind the scenes, Thursdays could be really good before and after pictures, Friday could be the special that you offer, however you want to do that. And then every Monday you have an educational post about teeth whitening, and you could have that ready for the week. Every Tuesday you have a motivational post about teeth whitening. 4 of those, you have one done for the week. So think of content pillars of how you can create content very simple, very easy, and very quick to be able to have content for your service. Get it out there and let people know you're doing it. Super important. All right, number 2, you have to master your before and after pictures. This whole thing has to be aesthetic. I am a sucker for some very good before and after pictures done very well. You could be the best teeth whitener, you could be the best, and I use this one as the biggest one that I see constantly, is waxing. Like if you're an esthetician and you do waxing, and if you're posting maybe not the most beautiful pictures of like a waxed area or something, I kind of cringe a little bit. The same thing when it comes to teeth whitening, and people are posting pictures of pictures with the cheek retractor in the mouth, and you can see the gums and crooked teeth and maybe blanching on the gums if that had happened or something. That is not aesthetic. It is not pleasing. It is not appetizing or enticing for your clients to want to come and get this service. So master the photos. Make sure they're beautiful. Put them in different angles, in different lightings. You can use different applications. I mean, as long as you're not messing with the actual results that you're getting, but use use different kinds of content in terms of your before and after pictures. Use video. Take multiple pictures in multiple different angles with multiple different lighting choices, so that way when your client leaves, you can put things together that look very aesthetically pleasing. I think that as you're scrolling through Instagram and you see something that looks beautiful and have gotten amazing results in your teeth whitening business, people are going to want to come and get service with you, because if you care so much about what your pictures look like, imagine what the quality of that service is going to be. So master the pictures. All right, number 3. Did I say 2 last time? Well, anyways, this one's number 3. So the third thing that I think will definitely help your teeth whitening business, and I don't think this is like a secret that I keep or something weird that I talk about, but number 3 is to get your business in front of some moms who have kids who have just gotten their braces off. Crazy, I know. The whole thing. But honestly, so kids can get teeth whitening done. And I'm not talking about little kids, like teenagers. Teenagers are such a great niche of clients to be offering services to, meaning the moms to offer the service to their clients, because kids in their teenage years or after they're getting braces off, they have a lot of just superficial stains. This isn't like somebody that you're dealing with who's maybe 40, 50 years old, who's been smoking or drinking coffee every day or drink red wine every day on the weekends or something like that. You're dealing with clients who have way more just superficial staining on their teeth, especially kids who have just had their braces off because they haven't been able to brush as good as they would like. And it's so much easier to get some amazing results for those clients. So I actually offer specials for kids who have just gotten their braces off to come in and get teeth whitening done, so they can have not only these beautiful straight looking teeth, but also beautifully clean, bright, white smiles that they are proud to show off. So when you get in front of the moms who are responsible for these teens and want to come in and get these amazing results for the kids, and when mom sees it or dad sees it, they're more enticed to want to do it. They're going to share with their other friends and family and say, oh my gosh, our kids had great experiences after they had their braces off. Now we're going to go do it. And then grandma comes. I literally had this whole situation happen 2 weeks ago. I had a young man come in and had his teeth whitening done at a discount because he just had his braces off. Mom was ecstatic about the results. She came in. Dad came in, grandma and grandpa came in 2 weeks later. Like, it was a whole thing. But by advertising and marketing to that demographic to help the kids and to get some amazing results and some amazing before and after content pictures, chef's kiss. It works amazing. All right. So I hope those 3 very basic, simple tips helped you. This doesn't have to be where you're investing money in a whole lot of things. You just have to learn how to market yourself and your service in a way that is attractive and in a way that people will want to come and work with you, and people are willing to spend the price to come and get a service like teeth whitening done. So don't give up on your teeth whitening business. Don't give up on your teeth whitening service. Just make sure you're learning how to market it correctly. All right, so don't forget, I offer one-on-one spray tan and teeth whitening training in person, online. You get full kits in your teeth whitening training package. I have all the information on my website. If you have questions, let me know. Leave some description, or I'll have some descriptions about training and stuff in the box below. If these tips helped you and you're excited now to go back and start marketing and using these tips that are exciting to you, give me a thumbs up emoji in the comments. I want to know I'm talking to the right people. So don't forget, subscribe, do all the things. I'm still trying to get to 10,000 subscribers because my kids say that I'm only going to be cool in the YouTube world if I have at least 10,000. And I'm almost at 5. So help a mom out and make sure you hit subscribe so you can see what I'm doing over here. Have a good day, guys.